this weekend was super draining. I'm so tired. I'm literally just forcing myself to do this. So I've been saying for over 2 weeks now that I was gonna reorganize the boys' closet. I ended up giving away one of their beds because they were only sleeping in one, and I wanted it to get good use to somebody who would love it, which allowed them to have more play space again. I feel like over the last couple months their toy situation has just been giving me a lot of angst. Like everything is all mixed up, little pieces are all mixed up, and it just needs to get back to being organized. So we're gonna put all in one pile, separate it, and I'm not looking forward to it. But let's go do it. I should not be out of breath from that. I completely forgot their little toy organizer inside the room where they're napping. And I also didn't finish grabbing all the toys from that in here. So I'll have to do that part when they wake up. But for now, we'll start here. We're gonna put these out for some of our like love every stuff, because there's a lot of little pieces, and when I leave them out it gets all crazy. Black tubs will go in their little cabinet thing like they normally do, but with like the designated toys for that. So I have a little toy thing I leave out with miscellaneous stuff. That was what I forgot to bring out, the pile for those miscellaneous things. And I'm gonna make a pile of stuff we're gonna donate. I can't turn the TV off because I can't find the remote and the toy madness. So sorry about that. We have everything in different groupings, like a box for blocks, a box for balls. Some of this miscellaneous stuff will go in their toy chest that just is out. More of their learning toys I have, like the individual pieces that go to the puzzles, and broken down like the felt toys. There's a little racetrack. That's some of the like things that they can put together. And over there I have their books that I'm gonna have to break up when we get in there when the baby's dressed. I'm gonna take a break. When they get up, we'll put all this in their closet. Up in organized space again. The babies are up. I got them on Lorax so they can watch that for a little bit. And I'm gonna try and get all this organized while they're awake.
Mommy.
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay. You need help with your popsicle tubey?
Popsicle.
Oh, you already ate all yours.
Popsicle.
Here's their room right now. It's not crazy, but it's not great. Since we gave away one bed, they have a lot more play space, and we're able to bring their dresser back in. I need to put that stuff away. I need to find all their shoes. This is the closet now that I took everything out. This holds all their stuffed animals. Let's get started. Or am I getting their blankets picked up real quick? Oh, here they come. I gotta fix their lights on their bed. I need to strip their bed and wash their sheets. I've gotten really into soft blankets. Now, anytime we do anything, they say, blankie, blankie. Is that PJ Mask?
Yeah.
I typically do jacket hoodies, long sleeve, short sleeves, tank tops, and then their sleepy clothes up here, which they're typically next to each other, but they're close enough right now. Now I just wanted to make this like a safer place because they kept pulling down.
Hi. Hi.
Hi! They kept pulling down the toys on themselves.
Hi. Hi. Diet.
What are you eating? You eating rice?
Oh no, you're working.
What? Are you being silly? Can you pick your iPad up for me?
Yes,
Yeah. Come help Mama real quick. Come on, let's help Mama.
Mommy.
Yeah, baby. It's not the prettiest closet setup, but it's more organized and functional for me. They're learning toys, and then now we'll do this little area. This is what I forgot to grab before. And then this is where the cubes go. These little books are normally cute down here. These go... What are you doing, Stinkabutt? So I normally put these and then like miscellaneous toys, cars is where this will go. These pieces will be needing to get put. These will need to get put in their rightful spots over here. Pulling down on space. So I'm gonna go put this one and the Legos one in there. So let's do it. Build this one up with the stuffed animals, but all their stuffed animals go in here. I need to go through their stuffed animals to see what we can donate and what we're gonna keep. They love these, so I like to keep these in reach, so I'll put them with that other box.
Yes.
You gonna put that on?
Yes.
What is that?
Put it on.
You gonna put it on?
Yes.
Now for this miscellaneous stuff. It's all gone, baby. There's no more rice. Sarah? Cars. Thanks, baby. You helping? Can you put all your cars in here? Good job. What about these cars?
Mama.
What, baby?
Mama.
Thanks, B. And so, all their little miscellaneous electronic products, toys, I mean. Can you say hi? Yeah, that's a dinosaur.
No.
Making progress. What's wrong?
Mommy.
What? Huh? We're trying to pick up, baby. He's mad, and this is what's happening back here. Hey, we were picking those up. Bishop. Bishop. So, I'm not sure how I'm gonna get this organized. I keep trying to take the camera. I'm gonna figure some stuff out, and I'll be back. Where's the book go? Good job. Where does the car go? Can you show Mama where the car goes? Where's the car go? You still picking up your books? Thank you. Where's the car go? Good job. Thank you. I had to wait till the next day, but here's what it looks like now. So got some stuff organized there that I'll rotate out every now and then. We are all organized, guys, and I am so excited. If you loved this video and you want to see more, please subscribe. We're trying to hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers, and like and comment and give us feedback, and we can't wait to see you guys the next time.